Hey guys, John Alexander here with another video, and it's the Cub Cadet Code Sword, as I was saying in the last video. Sorry, my phone cut out. But yeah, I was saying in the last video, my little weed whacker, I gotta do some trim work with it. Of the flowers. So let's go ask him what he wants me to trim. What do you want me to trim? What do you want me to trim? What flowers?
Oh, them ones, the yellow ones going down on the walk. And the 2-8 by the garage. On Mom's garage. Where the mower is. Them two, cut them to the ground.
Okay, I'll
and
do.
The ones all the way down on the walk.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
I know the garage ones. I don't know the ones around the walk, but okay. Okay. He's gonna come show me which ones. I know them out there. Now which ones? These green ones?
Yeah, them, that, and the one in front of that. All these right around. All the way around in front of that bush.
Okay. You can go inside now. Well, I gotta go get a battery. Okay. That thing doesn't run. Needs a special mix of gas. So let's see if my battery's all charged up. Yep, we got a green light. Ah. I don't want that, I want the battery. These are battery operated ones. Had it right the first time. Just clips in and then you push the button in on the side. And it works. So, if you want, you can watch me trim, I guess. I should wear safety glasses, but I don't. sure you can still see. Get my little cheese shell. Maybe you can prop you up to where you can see better. Okay, now you can see. I wanted to make sure that was still recording. Yep, okay. I ran out of weed whacker stuff. So now I gotta go get him a couple more on. Wow, gosh. Okay. I'll put you back on when we do the cold start.